Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your language attributes in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to set a language tag or set language attribute for. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and before editing or changing this website language attribute, first let's check or let's see the current one. So click on or view page source, Ctrl F, and search for language. And as you see, language right now is FR, which means French. As you can see, this website is in English, so I need to edit or change this website language attributes. It's simple, just to go to this more or three buttons, select SEO settings, make sure to click on this website overview, and then next to website language you will see the current attributed language, and you can click on this edit button to change it. Now select your desired language website from the list. In my case, it's English, and hit save. Don't forget to update your website to publish this new language attribute. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Don't forget to update your website to publish this new language attribute. Now let's view my website again. Click on view page source. First or after editing your website, your page source will not show the language attribute or the language tag. So give it a little bit of time and just keep refreshing. As you can see, now I can see a little bit more information. And if I look for language, this is it, and now it is EN, standing for English. And this is how to change your language attributes in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.